Hello everybody, welcome to this video. You guys thought I was done for today, but I'm not. I'm sorry. So, actually a day or so after I recorded the channel chat 75, I came up with a cool idea. I'm like, okay, I have a lot of wonderful people who are in my community on YouTube, first and foremost. So thank you again for subscribing all the time and watching my content, just getting me to where I am right now. I appreciate it so much. I've had quite a few people migrate from YouTube over to some of my other social media, which has been really awesome, and I appreciate you guys as well. I think I'm going to be putting this video on Instagram, so shout out to all my Instagrammers as well. Okay, so this really great idea was to create an email list, because I have a lot of people who are interested in the things that I'm doing with my brand as a whole and the different projects that alludes to. So, as you guys know from my previous video, I am planning on launching my website next year. Finally, after over 2 years, I've been working on this website. This has been my largest project under Infiniti Crafting Co. And I am excited. I am elated. I have no words for how happy I am to be doing that next year. It's been a long road for that. It's been long. But anyway, so my super awesome idea, like I said, is an email list. So why an email list? So an email list is an important component to really any business, and I'm kind of everywhere on the web. It's kind of hard to go follow me everywhere, and I don't expect everybody to go follow me everywhere. So I was thinking that if I compiled an email list, I'd be able to let people know which projects are launching and when, because a lot of times people watch videos and they never go look at the description, and it's okay. I understand, sometimes I do that as well. But my blog is really important because I post things there regarding Infiniti Crafting Code that people on other platforms don't necessarily get to see. So I was thinking it would be a good idea to have this email list so people can be updated on my blog posts. They can be updated on my current projects that I'm not posting on Instagram. I do have exclusive supporter only content. You guys will be alerted when I start my podcast next year, and I'll be giving updates on the website and when it launches and all that, because I really want a really grand opening for that. I'll also, in that supporter exclusive content, I'll also be unleashing a sneak peek at my website. I did that little faux preview mode thing the other day, and I was just like, oh my gosh, my website, it's my baby, it's beautiful. So I'm really excited to show that off. I will be recording that soon, relatively soon, and I hope people will enjoy that or anticipate it. So the email list I am using right now, I'm using a Google document. It's a Google form, and all I want is name and email, and I'll be adding it to my website's contact list so that you guys can get notified when that goes live as well, and I'll have some automated posts and all that. It's going to be super fun. So in exchange for gracing me with your email addresses, I decided to make this fun, and I know a lot of people like my written patterns. I don't always have them for free because I'm trying to build a brand, but anyway, I don't always have them for free, and I know this year's been weird, so I was thinking I rotate them out monthly, and people sign up for my email list and they get the opportunity to download one of my written patterns for free. I know the video format for patterns isn't always the most popular. I'm a part of a lot of crochet groups on Facebook, and the most common thing is that I hear or read is that they don't like video tutorials. So if that's you, feel free, or if you just want to support the content, or you just want one of my patterns, feel free to head on over. I'm likely going to empty out the description of this video and just leave my digital business card there. So it's the IWhitley.card.co. You guys can click that link, and I'll probably have a reel on the side or whatever showing you how to do that from YouTube. And you can find all my social media under that link, and you can also find the email list form at the very top. It has the asterisk around it. It says new ICC's email list. So that would be a huge help to me. Another huge help would be sharing this video. So if you love my content, you want other people to love my content, share this video, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Hit that notification bell. Oh my god, I've become a YouTuber. Oh my gosh, you know, they say you live long enough to become the thing that you hate. And I mean, you know, I remember sitting back when I was younger with my friends and kind of laughing at the whole YouTuber spiel, and now I am one. But anyway, that's life for you. I enjoy what I do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the year, a happy new year, a Merry Christmas, and until January, happy making.